Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. On this video today, let's talk about 5 best colleges for international students. Don't get me wrong, it's not like the colleges that I won't mention here, they are not good, but these are the best colleges according to the ranking that I was putting down. So first I was focusing on job opportunities, like because I feel like everyone, whenever you're going to college, at the end of the day, you're not going there to study and to just go to college. You're going there so that you put your route down to employment. So if this is your route to employment, we focus mostly on how much are the chances or opportunities of you being employed after finishing that college. Okay, and also obviously it depends on your course that you are doing, that counts the most. And also the other thing that I was focusing on the most, because right now Ireland has housing crisis, the rents are too expensive, like renting accommodation is just too much expensive, and it's even hard to get. Even if you have money, it's very hard to get accommodation. First things first, I was checking the opportunities for graduates from that university, and second, I was checking the location. Is it good for international students that are coming from outside, that have no connection in the country, that are looking to rent or to find accommodation close to the university? The other part that I was looking for was the fees, because as an international student, you really want to get the best deal that you can get when it comes to the university fees, because you can't afford to pay expensive fees while at least you are relocating to a new country and everything is just hard. So these are the three most things that I was checking on for me to come up with these top 5 universities that I'm gonna talk about today. If you feel like there is another university that is good, don't be like discouraged by just checking this video and say, okay, she said this video, these universities. So there are a lot of good universities in Ireland. I feel like a lot of universities, actually all of them, they are very good. So just check on what I was focusing on. This is why I came up with these universities. So let's go on these universities, guys. Number one on the list is Atlantic Technological University. So the short word or the shortcut for it is just ATU. So let's just say ATU. Um, ATU is number one on the list because of the location. It has the best location because they have about 5 or 4. How many? Yeah, they have few branches around. But on this case, I'll focus on the one in Sligo and the one in Donegal. I feel like those ones are the best. I put them number one on the list. You know why? Because around Sligo, around Donegal, it's easier or it's cheaper to get accommodation, and it's very affordable, especially if you're gonna share with certain friends or yes, certain friends or classmates or people that you can share with. Like when it comes to accommodation, it's gonna be very cheap for you. I know one person that was studying and living in Donegal. They were paying a rent of about 600 euros. I have a sister that lives in Sligo. She's paying a rent for 800 euros. We're talking about a full house here, not just one room, but a full house. She's paying a rent of about 800 euros for a three-bedroom house. You can never get something like that in Dublin. I don't think so. I doubt. Maybe you can get a one room without a bathroom, not an insert, just one room for that 800. It's not easy to get it around Dublin. So this is why I said this university can be the best. Then number two, when it comes to ATU, it's the fees. You can get on certain courses around 9,000 euros, of course, to about 11,000 euros. While in other universities, international students, they always range between 16,000, 15,000 to 20 something thousand. So if you can get something for about 9,000 in a course or in a thing per year, it's good, guys. It's something that is a good deal. First of all, accommodation is cheaper. Second, rent, university fees will be around 9,000. That's cheap, guys. Then the other thing that I checked around them, the courses that they offer, but then job opportunities for this one, I wouldn't say it's the best. I would say it's okay. And the reason it's okay, it's because it's it's far from like main cities, or it's far from Dublin. I'll make example with Dublin, because in Ireland is a small country, so most companies are based in Dublin. If you want anything where you can say I want this and I can get it tomorrow morning or right now, it's always in Dublin. Once you move out of Dublin, you are now coming to a different environment. Whenever you want something, it might take time and some work to get things together. So right now, to get a job outside Dublin, it will be a bit harder because most companies are based in Dublin. So getting a job around Sligo or Donegal, it's not impossible. It's possible. You can get jobs there, but it's gonna be harder compared to someone that is living in Dublin and studied in Dublin. That's where the cash is. But if you are a student looking to study, this is the best option for you. And the courses that they most offer on this one is engineering, anything related to tech, and healthcare. I think those are general that are like provided by almost every university, but those are the ones that they focus on the most. They have more onto it. You can get onto their website to check other courses that they have, because you might be looking for something different that I did not mention here, but it doesn't mean that it's not there. You can just go to their website and check. Then number two on the list, it's Dundalk Institute of Technology. Dundalk, some people they call it Dundalk, some people they call it Dundalk. So I don't know which one is the right one. But then this one is actually closer to Dublin. So it's best because as soon as you finish that degree or finish studying, chances or opportunities of you getting a job quicker, same time, it's easier because it's closer to Dublin and there are a lot of companies around. This is around is it County Loud? It's around that area, but it's very close to Dublin. It's actually 40 minutes drive to Dublin. If it's not 40 to 50 minutes drive to Dublin, it's actually less than 1 hour if I'm not mistaken, but it could be around 1 hour, which is someone can commute from around that area to work in Dublin if they want to drive every day in the morning. This is I would say this is one of the best or one of the good areas because the rents actually they are expensive, but they are better than Dublin. At the same time, you get all the opportunities that someone in Dublin can get when after graduating. Because remember, as an international student, you have only 2 years to get a job after you graduate. So you don't have much time to run around and to career shop and everything. You just have to look for something that you can do and start working, because after those 2 years your visa will expire and things will get tough for you. Then on the fees, Dundalk is almost like the ATU. The fees are starting also on 9,500 to around 12,000 or 11,000. It depends as well on the course that you are doing. But when I was checking on their website, they have some courses that are as low as 7,500 on fees. This could, I think it was a business course or something related to business, but it was 7,500. So I feel like this is the cheapest that you can get when it comes to these universities that I'm going to mention today. I know on one of the videos, I made a video last, there was a university that had a course that was about 5,000 or 6,000. But yeah, this one we're talking of we calculating a lot, we're checking a lot. I wasn't just checking on fees alone. So this is why I put this one to be number two on the list. Then the courses that they mostly focus on, they mostly have, or few of the courses that they have in Dundalk University, it's nursing, which is nursing is expensive, guys. I made a video talking about those things. Hospitality, and they have engineering as well. They have business studies, which I say that business is one of the ones that I saw that it was cheap. It was around 7,500. But please check on what you want to study and how much is it before you take the prices or the what from me, because some of the things that I'm seeing when I'm scrolling on their website, it could be different when you are now looking to study with them, looking for proper fees, because sometimes they don't update those things on their website, but you might find out that things have changed. So please check on it. But the advice or something that I can say if you are looking to study in Ireland and you are an international student, expect university fees to be around 9,000, 10,000 to 12,000. Depending on the course that you are doing, it could be more, it could be a bit less, but expect anything around 9 to 12,000. That's what I could say expect from these universities. Then number 3 on the list is TU Dublin. I had to mention TU Dublin because I'm also studying there. And it has a lot of opportunities. Or is it because I'm on the ground, I see what's happening? There is a lot of connection between TU Dublin and companies that are employing. There's always companies working around or working with TU Dublin, looking for students, looking to work with students from TU Dublin. There is a lot of opportunities. So I feel like I can actually put it number one when it comes to rating on getting jobs when you are done studying in TU Dublin. I can actually put it number one on the list to say if you study there, opportunities, chances of you getting employment within 5 to 6 months of finishing your degree, they are very high compared to other universities that are remote and in certain areas. So it's the best, it's good with getting jobs and everything. But as much as it's the best and as much as it's good, I can also, because I'm studying there, I can also talk about the lectures there that they are good. That's what I experienced, guys. I feel like they are the best for me. They know what they are doing, they teach you very well, and you would understand, and they're always open for you to come. Like, I don't know how much I can rate them. But then, accommodation, it's gonna be hard for you to get a place to live in Dublin. And if you get a place to live in Dublin, it's gonna be very expensive. So, what I could advise someone who is really looking to study in TU Dublin, look for a place somewhere outside TU Dublin. Before, I used to live in County Meath. I used to take about 35 minutes with a bus or about 40 minutes with a bus to travel from my house to TU Dublin. But that was depending as well on traffic and other little things. So if you really want to study there, try to find a place outside Dublin, which is still going to be expensive because that place that I was living in, it was expensive, but it was better than living exactly in Dublin. So that's what you could try. Otherwise, you could also try to share accommodations with friends and see if you have people that can share with you, so that, excuse me, so that the rent becomes a bit cheaper for you. But otherwise, when it comes to job opportunities and other things, you'll be like exposed to a lot of opportunities. There is always opportunities around Dublin, guys. Fees, they are around 11,000 to 15,000. I didn't find anything around 9,000 for international student in TU Dublin, but go to their website and check it out. You might get it, while I didn't get it. And maybe it depends on the course that you want to study. Then TU Dublin has a lot of programs or courses that they offer, but I just mentioned here a few that they specialize mostly in engineering, uh, building environment, or build anything that has to do with construction work or building environment, and also IT. They have IT, and what else? Yeah, engineering, building, IT, those are the things that they have in TU Dublin. So you might check it out, guys, and see if there's something that you want them. Then number 4 on the list, this one is also in Dublin, which is National College Ireland. This one, fees, they are similar to TU Dublin, around there. So it's around 10,000 to 17,000, depending on the course that you want to do or the program that you want to do. You might find something cheaper as well. I know this one can have something cheaper. If you are looking to do anything related to maybe business or data, is it data or data computer, something that has a computer there. There is a course that is cheap with them for international students that you can do there. Then, as much as it's like TU Dublin, there are job opportunities there. I never studied there. I never really got to visit their university before, but I know job opportunities, anything around Dublin, there are a lot of job opportunities. Companies are always like looking for people, so the opportunities for you, they will be limitless. You can get opportunities, just that accommodation is going to be hard again. Same advice of looking for a place around Dublin, maybe around Kildare, around County Meath, around County Louth, and try to go to Dublin every day in the morning if you can. That's what you can do. Then this one, it has a lot of things related to data analytics, computers, business and HR, and finance and accounting. I remember that last year I was trying to push my other sister that is in South Africa to come to Ireland, to come study in Ireland so that she can spend more time with us, and so she can, because not everyone loves Europe as much as we think people love Europe. So she never really loved Ireland, or never really wanted to relocate to Ireland. But because I miss her and I always push her to be next to me, so I was trying so hard to push her. And for her, she studied accounting. So I was trying to get anything for her related to accounting that she can study in Ireland. I registered for her in this college. They were quick to respond. They were responding to every email that we were sending out, and they had already accepted her to come to Ireland. Just that she cancelled and she changed her plans. What is it? Changed her mind to relocating. She was like, not really relocating, because she was just coming for a few years just to study and go back. It wasn't the proper relocation, but she was like, no, I don't think I want to do it anymore. She just put a pause on it. But they were so quick to respond, and their programs were affordable. It was something that we can pay for, me and my sister. So I would say, for someone that is looking to do anything, even if you email them right now, as much as they were quick to respond to me and my sister, it means they treat everyone the same. I feel like they will respond to you. Then the last one on the list, because I said I'll give you five, guys, but there is more out there, and you can always compare to what I was checking right now. Because for me, I was focusing on accommodation, job opportunities after you're done studying, and the fees, because fees is a big thing, guys. Just having that amount to pay for your studies, it's a lot. Then the other one that is number five on the list, that is good, that I found that is like okay, it's MTU. MTU is just like technological university, but this one is in Cork. Because it's in Cork, the accommodation is better than Dublin. So if I were to rate, because I started with the one in Sligo and Donegal, that one, when it comes to accommodation, is the best. Then this one, MTU, when it comes to accommodation, I would say it's second, better than Dublin, because Cork is also, it's also a busy town. It used to be actually the capital seat of Ireland, but later on things changed. Then Dublin became the capital seat. So right now, Cork will be as busy as it could be, though it's not exactly the same as Dublin. And also the rent or accommodation that side, it's expensive than Sligo, but it's not as much as expensive as Dublin is expensive, guys. Dublin is the most expensive one. So if you're looking for anything around Cork area, this is the place that you can do. Then fees around them, they range around 12,000 to 15,000, which is almost the same as TU Dublin or other universities around Dublin. Then when it comes to job opportunities, as I mentioned that Cork used to be the capital seat, so there are more opportunities. There is more opportunities on Cork, more than you can have opportunities around Donegal or Sligo. So to be honest, this one, I should have put it number three actually, because it's actually there in the middle, because everything is just neutral. Accommodation is okay, job opportunities, they are okay. Um, uh, um, Accommodation and everything is okay, and the fees, they are also okay. They are not too much expensive. It's not too cheap like Dundalk and the National College. They have cheaper fees, but this one is just somewhere there. So I would say that's it, guys, on these five colleges that I wanted to mention today, depending on the location and depending on the fees that they provide, and also accommodation. So if you are looking to study, or you need more information about colleges in Ireland, you know that you can always WhatsApp us. There's our WhatsApp number at the end of the screen. You can also share comments. We're gonna try to respond to every comment that you guys send out. Thank you guys.